there's been a desire for people that are interested in the ZEN Project, the XEN Project, coming out in a few days. It does not exist yet. There's been a desire, though, to create a bunch of Ethereum accounts and fund a bunch of Ethereum accounts without having to do each one manually. I have a way to do that I'm going to show you. Before I do that, this is not the most secure thing I have ever seen. I'm telling you because if you were a friend of mine, if you were a buddy sitting next to me, you were interested in this project, I'd be like, hey, buddy, I found a way to fund accounts you don't have to do manually. It's not very secure. Decide for yourself if this is interesting to you. And that is my message to you guys. Take responsibility for your actions. This is just an FYI. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm not saying you should do this. This is just a way. And if you guys find out that this is massively insecure, let me know. I think it is insecure. It's just not massively insecure. But you guys can decide for yourself if this is worth it to you. Now you know one way to do this. So let's look at this. This is cryptony.app. I'll put links to everything in the description. What you do is you go to bulk wallets, type in the number of wallets, type in or choose CSV, click generate wallets. Boom. That generates wallets, and it gives you right here the public key, and then the second number in quotes is the private key. None of these accounts, these are all throwaway accounts. I'm never going to use these. I'm never going to put any funds in these, but this is just to show you guys how easy that is to do. This is on a website, and for all I know, the website is copying all these things and going to steal all your funds. But if you want to do this, you can. And then you can, if you want to fund these wallets now, you can select all of this, copy, and then paste it in Notepad. It should look like this. File, save as, and then change the file name so it ends in .csv. And then click save. And then open that up. It should open up in Excel. It should look like this. You might have to rearrange your columns. And then just copy your public keys. So copy those, and we're going to paste those in a Google document. So you should make your Google Doc, and it should look like this. Paste in your public keys, title, the first column addresses like that, the second column amounts like that. Put in whatever amount of Ethereum that you want to fund. What's the amount of Ethereum you want to see in these accounts after we do this next step? Then you go to share, and you make this document shareable so anyone with the link can view it. And then go to multisend.co, connect. You're going to, of course, need to connect with an account that has enough Ethereum to fund these accounts. And then go ahead and click import, paste the link to your Google Sheet right here, paste, import, and it should import all those public addresses and the amount of Ethereum that you said you wanted to fund them with. And then click send, approve the transaction. And a little bit later, you should be able to check on any of these accounts and see that Ethereum in these accounts. And you guys can choose for yourself what amount of Ethereum you want to fund these with. And like I said already, you can decide how secure this really is for you, if this is something you even want to do at all. I will probably use these accounts to create a bunch of ZEN. And after I have minted and claimed and put that ZEN in my wallet, I will probably then move my ZEN to a more secure wallet and continue to stake and whatever other fun things I want to do with the project. I'll probably do that in a more secure account. That's what I'm thinking at this point in time. Just wanted to let you guys know that this exists, and I would want to know this if someone found it, and so I'm sharing it with you. I've already said it a billion times. I'm not saying this is the most secure thing ever, but it's just an FYI. So anyway, take responsibility for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. See you in the next one.